This is a solution for problem number 3 from November of 2009, the junior contest on probability. If two different positive integers less than or equal to 50 are chosen at random, what is the probability that the difference between them is less than or equal to 10? Okay, so we have two different numbers, less than or equal to 50. We want to know what the probability is that the difference is less than or equal to 10. There's a few different ways that you can do this. I think the most convenient way or the easiest way to understand this problem is just to go case by case basis. So if I have the number 1, all the numbers that have a difference less than 10 with 1 are going to be 2 through 10. So the difference between 1 and 10 would be 9. If I have the number 2, the difference would be 3 through 11, and then the number 1. So in the case where my number is 1, there are 9 possibilities here. When my number is 2, there's 9 possibilities, and then this last one, so there's going to be 10 possibilities. So I'm going to have 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 10. For 3, there's going to be 11. For 4, there's going to be 12. For 5, there's going to be 13. And all the way up for 10, there's going to be 18. So for 10, I'm going to have the numbers 11 through 19. And then I'm also going to have 1 through 9. So for 11 through 19, there's going to be 9 possibilities. 1 through 9, there's also going to be 9 possibilities. Now the way to figure that out, for 9 through 1, I do 9 minus 1, which is 8, and I add 1. That tells me that there's going to be 9 different possibilities. Now the numbers 1 through 10, those cases are special because you don't have so many options below those numbers. So for the number 3, for example, I only have 2 options below 3 that can be chosen for my second number. And then, there's many cases above 3 for numbers that can be chosen. So those numbers 1 through 10, we're going to have to look at as special cases. Now, beyond 1 through 10, I'm going to consider 11 through 40 as my second set of cases. Okay, considering the number 11, below 11, I have 2 through 9. Those numbers are going to have a difference less than 10. And above 11, I'm going to have 12 through 20. Again, this is 9 cases and 9 cases, which is a total of 18. So for 11 through 40, there's 18 cases for each. Above 40, I have 41 through 50, and those follow the same as 1 through 10. So the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all the way up to 18. Okay, so in total, the number of ways that I can choose 2 different positive integers that have a difference between them that is less than 10, that's going to be 2 times 9 plus 10 plus all the way to 18 plus 30 times 18. Now, this is for those numbers 1 through 10 and then 41 through 50. This is for all those numbers 11 through 40. This gives me a total of 810. So those are my successes. Now I need to figure out how many different ways are there to choose 2 different numbers. Well, there's 50 options for the first number and 49 options for the second number, which is a total of 2,450. My probability then is 810 out of 2,450, or 81 out of 245.